Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my friend has a birthday party and I'm gonna go to it. So let's get ready with me. I love this because I have a billion freckles. So I don't like hiding them. It just looks like if your skin's a little red, it makes it like more smoother. Under your eye if you have dark eyes from the night. And then I'm gonna put on the other cheek. I obviously like putting on my nose. Then right here, just what I usually do every morning. I look kind of funny. So now, let's obviously blend it in. Like people that do the makeup, they always like smooth it out. You have to pat. My mom and dad always call me Baddie Star, so that's my new name now. Okay, so now we're gonna do, this is my favorite blush I always use, and yeah, I love it. It's because it's like a pink and it just fits my shirt, and yeah, I'm gonna use it because it's really pretty. I like it. Let's get a brush. I always use this brush, but whatever brush you have at home, you can always use. And my mom today, she got a new lip stain, so we're gonna be using that today also. So now, I don't do the bronzer. I don't do like the dark. Cause my skin's light, and when I put the brown on my skin, it looks really dark than my whole other body. So I don't do that, but if you do it, you can always can. But my makeup tutorial, I'm not. Before I do that, I'm gonna get this to put it under my eye. Now, let's mix it in. I don't put a lot because it always like messes up. Like I don't put a lot so it gets in my eye and like you can't rub it in that good. Now let's do eyeshadow. Like I love eyeshadow, but I love lips and eyeshadow, so I'm gonna be doing eyeshadow first. I'm obviously gonna do like a gold on the top and probably just like a sparkle on the bottom. That's what I usually do and I love it, so you guys should follow. So first I'm gonna get a brush and I'm gonna be doing this color. It's Angel Fire. Now let's get really steady and do a line with the gold. It's called Barely Baked, right there. Barely Baked. It's basically just a normal gold with some sparkles in it, and I love it on the top of my eye. Or if you like it, I always mix it in and then it like a light gold. Mascara. I personally love mascara, but when I mess up, it's game over. Okay, looks good, looks good, looks good. Done. I feel like it looks good. It looks good. Now let's do eyebrow gel. Eyebrow gel. Just part of the eyes. Eyebrow gel. Looks good, looks good. Now we're gonna be doing my eyelash curler. Make sure your dries first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7. Hey, now other side. So lips, my favorite color. So this is the lip stain. It's personally my favorite. Just it's gonna look really dark at first, but when you take it off, it's really nice. I promise, it's so nice when you take it off. Ready? Let's put it on. Like that looks bad right now, but I promise when you take it off, it's so good. Just trust the process. It looks good. Let's get my top row. Now let's, while we wait with the dance in my hand, like a, yeah, I don't have good dancing skills, I promise. I really don't. Okay, let's sit back down. Okay, now it's done drying, so let's go peel it off. Sometimes you can't grip it good, but it does not take long to dry at all. Love you. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.